Hi everyone, I'm just doing another origami video for you guys. Today's one is going to be a little butterfly, which is really cute to put on your card pages or your scrapbooking pages, and it's actually really easy to make. I've used quite big paper again just for ease of demonstration, but you can definitely make it with smaller paper. So we're going to start off with a square piece of paper. Ignore the folds that I've got. I'm going to go over them with you guys as well. So we're going to start with the color side up, the color that you want, and we're going to go edge to edge like that, unfold, do that on both sides so you have a cross in the middle, and then we're going to go corner and corner. So if you enjoy origami or you're enjoying these videos, get real comfortable with that because it's pretty much the baseline to heaps of origami. So our next step, we're going to fold onto the back and we're going to grab the two edges, this one here, it might help to refold it down the middle, and we're going to push the center in and collapse the paper down. So now we should have something that resembles a triangle. So now what we're going to do, we're going to fold that triangle in half, and on the side that has all of the loose edges, 1, 2, 3, 4 edges on there, we're going to cut it. So it doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to cut something that looks a bit like, ooh, that's a sharp edge of a wing. There we go. Flink. Something that resembles that. So I've just cut the edge off. Make sure that it's edge that's got all of it free and not joined together. You don't want to cut this edge. No cutting. Don't cut that one. Now we're going to unfold it just once so that it looks like this again. And I'm going to take that top layer and fold it up to the center line using the straight edge as a guide. There we go. Now I'm going to flip it over. And this edge, this corner down here, I'm going to fold it too far. So I want it to be bent, okay? Like that. You don't want to flatten that. You want it to stay a little bit bent. And then I'm going to fold this extra bit at the end over and pinch. So I'm pinching it on the bottom here. And there you go. A cute little butterfly. Easy peasy. If you are having problems, if your paper is a bit too thick and you're having problems, just tack a wee bit of glue under there and that should fix the problem. Another variation that I've seen is people tucking it in here. It's not my personal favorite because it doesn't hold together as well, but you can, and hide away that little edge if you're wanting a clean top part, but I prefer it that way. Whoops. That way. So there you go. 2 little butterflies, easy peasy to make. That was my first attempt, and they look really cute on cards. Thanks everybody.